In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to WordPress using Elementor in 2025. Whether you're using Elementor Pro or the free version, I'll walk you through the steps to enhance your website's typography with ease. Let's start with the best integrated route for those of you who are using Elementor Pro. This option leverages the custom fonts feature, which allows you to upload and apply fonts directly within the Elementor editor. First, ensure you have Elementor Pro installed and activated on your WordPress site. Without this, you won't have access to the custom fonts functionality. Once you're all set, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and go to the Elementor menu, then click on Custom Fonts. From here, you'll want to click on Add New to begin the process of uploading your font. Give your font a unique name you'll easily remember. After that, click Add Font Variant. This is where you can upload the different weights and styles of the font you plan to use, like bold or italic. Make sure you're using the correct file types, such as WAF, WAF2, TTF, or OTF. With the font uploaded, don't forget to hit Publish. Now you're ready to see it in action. Open up any page you want to edit with Elementor and add a text widget or a heading. In the typography section, select the new font family you just uploaded. You can adjust the weight, size, and style to suit your design vision. Once you're happy with how it looks on the page, save or update your changes. Be sure to test your new font across different devices to ensure consistency and readability. For those of you using the free version of Elementor, you have a couple of options. Using a dedicated font management plugin is a straightforward way to manage your fonts without the need for Elementor Pro. Once you've loaded the fonts through your chosen plugin, you can assign them within the typography settings in Elementor. Alternatively, for those feeling adventurous and comfortable with a little bit of coding, you can upload the fonts directly to your theme or child theme. You'll need to enqueue the fonts via CSS, which gives you a bit more control but does require some technical know-how. Each of these methods has its advantages, so choose according to your needs and skill level. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial on adding custom fonts to your WordPress site using Elementor helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more useful content next time.